Greetings, lab teams, and welcome to the Playbook. I'm Jessie Lee, mastermind behind the Lab Playbook, here to give you a tour of this fantastic resource so that you're set up for success. The Lab Playbook contains all of the resources that you need to get ready for and put on a lab. What you're looking at here is the index view of the Lab Playbook folder in the Google Drive. You should have received an email invite granting you view-only privileges for all of the documents contained herein. So these folders that you see that are labeled 1 through 9 contain the documents that fit with that header, and they're sort of in the order that we would suggest you read through the playbook. You may be asking yourself, where's the curriculum? The curriculum is kind of the last thing you should get into, so we've put it in this last folder, Lab Resources. So a couple of things that I just wanted to run through. This is the view that I would always come to the Lab Playbook folder when you're looking for something, but a couple of other places that you can navigate from, the table of contents, which will show you that same order, but it's within a document, and each of these blue headers will link to the folders and all of the documents that contains. Another place that you can navigate from is Lab Teams. The Lab Teams document within the Lab Teams folder is going to describe the main roles and responsibilities that your team needs to focus on, and this is a good place to navigate from if you're thinking in terms of roles and responsibilities. Your focuses, your duties, whether they're particular to a person or they're shared duties. Another place that is a really great point to navigate from is this lab resource list. It's basically just a document with a lot of links, as you can see, and it's grouped by, things that need to be done pre-lab versus at the lab versus post-lab. As you can see, most of the work is pre-lab, and it's grouped by content. I'm going to navigate from here to another great resource for navigation, which is the pre-lab checklist, which focuses on your logistics. So you have 3 months to get ready, or 12 weeks, and this is all of the things that you need to do. You're going to see another video that takes you through how to actually use this checklist, but it's a really great place to navigate from. You see some links through here. And it's a great way to just stay on track. So one last thing I wanted to talk to you about is adding team members to the Google Drive Lab Playbook and making copies. So as I said, you've been added as view only, but that still allows you to make copies. There are a lot of places where we've provided you with templates or other resources like Buzz Builder spreadsheet. Even as view only, you can make a copy and you can edit the copy. So we encourage you to do that and make use of all the resources. And just want to remind you that if you need to add additional team members, because we know not everyone is going to have their team solidified at the point that you get all of the playbook resources, please don't request to share here on this blue button. We ask that you email Emily and let her know who needs to be added, and we'll make sure that we add them and get them the tools they need. We appreciate your participation in the the Unreasonable Lab experiment, and we are so excited to get started with you.